Welcome, today you've heard of me HONOR Magic4 Pro, and I'll show you how to change screen resolution on this device. So first let's open the settings and then tap on the display and brightness. After that, scroll a little bit down and here you'll see the screen resolution section. We can activate here the smart resolution by click on the switcher, tap to enable, but by this way we can't use just the standard load or hide manual custom resolution. If you want to turn it off, just click on the switcher and we can now switch our resolution to the from high to the standard or just from standard to low. So you can choose your resolution by this way. If you wanna just use the smart one, by the same way, select the click once on the switcher. You can tap here to don't remind the description again and tap to enable. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.